After all the fallbacks we suffered in the year 2020, Christmas became more important. I was Christmas shopping this year and I was specifically happy about wrapping the gifts. It was then when I realized how uneco-friendly Christmas wrappers are and paper wrappers. Here in Australia alone, we use more than 150,000 kilometers of wrapping paper during Christmas, which is enough to wrap around the Earth's equator nearly 4 times. In 2018, UK threw away an equivalent of 108 million rolls of wrapping paper once Christmas is over. In the US, an additional 5 tons of waste is produced over Christmas. Canadians generate 540,000 tons of waste from gift wrapping and shopping bags every year. That's equal to 100,000 elephants. Last but not least, it's estimated that 50 million trees are cut each year to make sufficient wrapping paper.
Rip, thin. Well, you could try to unwrap and rewrap, but it is almost impossible for you to salvage that small piece of wrapping paper when it is creased, taped, and used. Of course, paper can be recycled, but did you know that with each step, the fibers become shorter, coarser, and stiffer? And think about all that energy needed to heat, repulp, and recycle the paper. All of that if your paper actually made it to the recycling facility and not your local landfill. You could use fabric or a tote bag, but it lacks presentation, and the fact that we send 85% of our textile into landfill in Australia and that man-made synthetics may never break down, fabric may seem like the answer really isn't. Presentable, sustainable, multifunctional, and more importantly, recycled with less energy, SeaWrap. Presentable, just like your standard wrapping paper. It has the rip, the fold, and the appearance of a seamless box. And more.
It has the same convenience as your normal paper gift wrapper. However, it is more durable and has a positive environmental impact as it is biodegradable. It can be used as a fertilizer after its original purpose, so that it makes the gift more special.
And more, it is sustainable, so it breaks down and leaves no negative impact, only positive growth for your plants and the planet. The foundation of the product is made of compostable paper that is being recycled by being mixed with the seaweed, which acts as a fertilizer. This multi-functions as your gift wrapper and a natural plant fertilizer, so you can 1. Recycle your paper and 2. Fertilize your plant at the same time. So, how does it do that, you may ask? Well, the magic ingredient is the seaweed in the pulp of the paper. Seaweed has been used by farmers to stimulate microbial growth for plants. It has iron and nutrients that plants need without the dangerous runoff experienced with normal fertilizers. The abundant amount of carbohydrates in the seaweed will strengthen the cell wall of the plant and protect it from soil-borne diseases and improve frost resistance. This concept of using seaweed as fertilizers are also being researched by scientists as it is much more sustainable than normal chemical fertilizers. How do you fertilize your plant with the SeaWrap? Simply cut or tear into small pieces and toss it in your compost bin or put it on the soil as you would with regular fertilizers.
Ocean Wrap has eliminated the fragileness of paper gift wrappers as it is more durable and flexible than one-use wrapping paper. It has reduced the amounts of waste, not just the paper wrapper itself, but also what its packaging comes with, cardboard, plastic, covering, etc. And it has raised awareness about the amount of waste paper wrapper accumulate each year. And it has raised the idea of an environmentally friendly gift wrapper. All this is reason to a biodegradable gift wrapper, a seaweed repurposed to a wrapper which can also be used as a fertilizer after its first purpose.